Hey guys, today I'm going to install this LED parking lot light with the arm mount. So this is the light, but before going over the light and contents from the box, let me show you what are the features of this light are. So this one is the LED parking lot light. It is a LED light, very bright, luminous, and this one is the dimmable light, and it's a energy saving. So it is not going to consume lot of energy when it runs overnight. And basically it's very easy to install. I have already installed one, and my plan is to basically install this one in the back end. I will show you where exactly I'm planning to install this light. And moreover, this comes with 5-year warranty, which is the best part. That means they back up the quality of this particular product because of the light they are built, right? And that's why they are giving the 5 years warranty. So no worries on that particular part. Once you open the box, so inside the box, first thing you see is basically the manual how to install this light. Not much is there, and even though this particular wiring looks complicated, it is not that complicated. This particular light is a dusk to dawn light. That means it has a photocell sensor you have to attach onto this light. Over here, if you see, this is a photocell sensor which you have to attach on the top of the light, and when it is dusk, automatically the light will switch on, and at the dawn it will switch off automatically. So this is pretty good manual. Then it also comes with the hardware. Let me remove this light from the box. Very nicely nice packing. It comes with the hardware. These are the arm screws and the bracket which we'll be using to install this light. Let's keep it aside. Then this is the actual light which we are going to install, and as you see, it is pretty big, almost like 8 to 9 inches in square, with lot of LEDs over here, bright LEDs, and I am hoping that this light is going to give lot of light in the backyard. And one more thing which I would like to mention, that this is a multi-voltage light. As you see over here, 100 to 270 watts. That means you could install this anywhere in the world. So that is good thing. It's pretty sturdy. This is a photo cell sensor which I have mentioned to you. Of course, we have to install it. And this is basically the photocell sensor. So this will go on top of over here like this, and once it is installed, this light will be available to go anywhere. So now this particular portion is going to go on the stud with the 2 screws provided, and then you could change the angle of this particular light via by tilting this in any direction. And you over here, you will see the degrees are also given. This is horizontal, so 0. If you want to make it up, you can go there, but of course for that you have to use the Allen screw to loosen these 2 parts, this part and this part, and then it will tilt. So let me install this light and show you how exactly I've installed, and you will get an idea. Nothing much is there. So basically you just install the screws over here, and that's it, you are done. So this is the backyard where I'm going to install this light, and my plan is to install the light over here next to the shed. I've not yet decided whether I'm going to use the bracket or I'm going to use some kind of a stud next to the shed and install the light on the on that stud. But the whole idea is that once it is installed, it is going to cover this entire lawn with so much luminous of light as soon as it's a night time. And I will demonstrate that dusk to dawn using the camera which we have installed. So over here we have this camera which will allow you to see that when the evening time is there and it is at dusk, then the light will lit, and as soon as it is morning time, the light will switch off automatically. So yeah, let's start installing the light and decide where to install the light. So this is what I've done. This is a 2x4 stud, and this one is kind of 8 feet long, and I made 2 holes, and actually 3 holes on the bottom, one to pass the wire and one for and these 2 for the bracket. And as you see, this entire light assembly is pretty tight on this stud. Now this stud is going to be installed in the backyard, and only thing which I have to do is basically connect these wires to the outdoor wire, which I am going to do. And it depends on the area and the focus of the light. I will tilt this light downwards or upward to cover the ground to be lit. For that you have to use the Allen screw. I don't have this particular Allen screw, but that's not a problem. And before installation, I'm going to just add the sensor over here, which is basically just you have to plug the sensor, which will control the dusk to dawn setting. So yeah, let me install this light now in the place where I was planning to install, and then show you the light, installed light, and then at night time I will show you that how it lights when it gets dark. So the installation is done. White goes white, green goes with the earthing, black goes with the black, and you can skip this red wire and the violet wire in case if you are not going to use the dimmer or dimmer controller, and that's it. And also you can skip installation of this photo cell sensor in case if you are not interested in installing the light for dusk to dawn. And that's it pretty much. So I've installed the light, and the LEDs are lit up, but they are not yet that bright because I'm using the sensor and expecting these to lit up with full luminous at night time. And I just temporarily installed the light. My plan is to again lift the height of this light by another 4 feet, but as you see over here, it is dark outside, and as soon as it dark, the light lit, and it's so powerful that you could see the color of each and every grass grains. So what that means is basically once I tilt the angle of the light on this one, I'll have more coverage in the entire lawn. And it's pretty dark, as you see over here. As I'm going on the behind, it looks very nice. So it lit the entire backyard very nicely. And here is another angle with the same light. As you see from the top also, you see that the entire backyard is lit very nicely. The luminance is very powerful, and I am expecting this to cover the entire area and lit this particular dark spot once the angle has been lifted up.